Hello, hi. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how to copy this graphical representation into PPT. Okay, so most of the people may not aware how to copy this one, and they can just copy and paste here. So that is not the correct way. So first of all, we have to save this file in some separate folder. So which is already saved in separate folder. So now let's go to save this one as well. Sorry, yeah, document, save. Now so copy this one and go to paste here, picture, keep source format. Okay, see what happened if you use the just simply paste this one. So of course it is showing the source format only. Sometimes it is not showing the same colors or same different showing in those different colors, and in the format also will change. So what you have to do is just paste the special as a keep source formatting, so it will not affect on the format. Keep format. Okay, done. Now let's see. So I just save this one. Okay, that's it. So right click on it, go to this one, edit the data, edit data. So see, please close it again. Okay, now what I will do is save and copy, and here so format I will remove this one, and after that I just move up, save this form file and close this one, close. Let's see now. So right click, edit data. It is linked to this one. Okay, now don't do it. So it show you can directly either this one select data also reflecting here. If I say, yeah, see, showing in the formats. Okay, for example, so this is the numbers, these are the numbers. If anything numbers are changed, if any numbers are changed in the source, of course it is automatically, it should be reflect. It should be reflecting or not. So Bharat 1064. So you go to calculation, 1064 is there instead of 2064. Okay, save this file, go to this one and refresh the data. Okay, So before that, how to close this one? Just refresh this data. Let's see the number is changed or not. Yeah, perfect. So while copy the graph into the PPT, just copy the graphical representation and go to paste, and here keep data source, or else here we have the paste specials are there. So even though you can go through this one, or keep source formatting. Okay, so this is how we have to work on the PPT. So we just copy this one. So one fine day again we will work on the Excel part and save that one and close this one, close that one, and come to the PPT, go to the graphical representation and select that one, go to chart design, refresh data. So whatever the changes happen in the source file, so the same changes will be reflect here. Okay, every time need not to copy the graphical representation from there to here, you can avoid it. So this is the way we have to calculate. Yeah, sorry, we have to work on the PPTs. Optimizing the work, just paste them, keep the source format. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Please subscribe.